Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As we can see, I'm trying to take advantage of the market, taking a buy for System B trades. This is the 17th of November. I just got out of that hedge. The market is going down. However, I'm trying to take a buy, so my risk is much higher. If you want to learn how I do this, join me on live on Zoom, where I'll be taking this live, teaching you how to scalp, hedge, and swing your trades. Because hedging is the way I'm able to compound my account so fast. We started this account with $250, right? I teach you all this. Go to hedgingmastermind.com. You can get any course, and we'll go live together teaching all this. I've made a total withdrawal of $25,000 so far. Last withdrawal was $15,000, and we've made a total profit of $97,000, almost $100,000. I'm going to take another withdrawal at the end of this month. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see how this trade plays out. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with Yoga Market, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account and send me proof of that on Telegram. And if you want to test the software for 1 week for free, the software comes with the course already. If you want to test the software for 1 week, sign up with Yoga Market. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account, so I know that you are serious about actually testing the software, and send me proof of that on Telegram. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in description below. And we're making a poll, okay? If you want to get VIP signals, that means daily signals every day, go to hedgingmastermind.com and get the signals, and we'll be right back. Let's see how this trade plays out. Like, share, and subscribe, and yeah. All right guys, and we're back. I'm going to have to hedge out this trade, guys. The market is still going down, so yeah, you're going to witness a live hedge. And yeah, if you want to learn how to do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com and we'll see how this plays out. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back soon. All right guys, and we're back. Like I said, when I say the market must go down, it must always go down. Even if I'm just going to close out this trade. Let me close it out on my phone. Yeah, I just want to record it for you guys to see me closing it out on my phone also. Yeah, when I say go down, the market must go down. This is the good thing about learning how to hedge, which I will teach you live. We'll be doing this live together when you get the course. And yeah, I've closed the big profit for yes. All right, so I didn't even record it. I forgot to record it on my phone. I forgot I wasn't recording it. Anyways, we came out of this trade with $800 profits in total. $700 total profits in this. So I took a buy. Even if the buy doesn't play out, most people would have taken a huge loss. Instead, we hedged out the trade and we came out with profits. This is what I do. This is what you can learn how to do when you buy the course. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, and we'll be right back once we have another trade in the market. Try to take advantage of the market. Market didn't go my way and we simply hedged it out to profit. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another trade in profit soon.